You motherfucker, esta jodida que te pongo.
Caution. A virus has been detected.
Oh, hello there. I don't believe it's the truth. I'm talking.
Money in my dream, yeah.
Thank you for liking for me, guys. I have your flag. Can I bring you a gift?
Salami fruit, go ahead! No! I'm gonna go backward. Here we go.
Ich will spielen! Was? Abwechseln! Mann, Nachhilfe! Ich will am Tournament spielen! Los!
Well, hello there. I don't believe it's the truth. I'm talking. What's your name? Nice to meet you. I'm William. This is the first time I'd like to tell you all about myself. I'm your friend Lindsay. I have a million from you. The more I'm telling you, turn it together as far as I know.
You motherfucker, esta jodida.
Guys, you install the virus.
Los! Gotcha! Damn!
What's that sound? Is that thing the train truck travel?
So you must be really full. I want to see my laptop.
Hey, stop. Hey.
Caution. A virus has been detected.
Oh, not with Doug Roland. Stop laughing. Did you sound like fighting fight? And what's going on my virus?
Right-click on me and select Open Voice Commands window.
Hey, what's going
To help me
on?
understand your voice well, you
Windows
should
7.
bring your voice to my speech recognition system.
Leliani Slip. You are
To do this,
installed the
select the Microsoft
virus.
Speech Recognition
I
Engine
want
in the
to
Speech
kill you.
Properties window.
What the dogs?
then click on the training button. From there, follow the instructions to read the voice. Hey, I'm going to say, what music is my very cool headphones? They have such a awesome.
Shut up! No! 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 What?
A problem has been detected and Windows has been shut down to prevent damage to your computer. Unmountable boot volume. If this is the first time you've seen this error screen, restart your computer. If this screen appears again, follow these steps. Check to make sure any new hardware or software is properly installed. If this is a new installation, ask your hardware or software manufacturer for any Windows updates you might need. If problems continue, disable or remove any newly installed hardware or software. Disable BIOS memory options such as caching or shadowing. If you need to use safe mode to remove or disable components, restart your computer. Press F8 to select advanced startup options, and then select safe mode. Technical information, stop, 0x000000 ed, 0x80f128d0, 0xc0000090, 0x00000000, 0x00000000.
Oh no, my computer is shut down. Alright, I will fight. Hiya!
Hey, stop fighting Alice here. I don't want to come to the Alice.
Your device ran into a problem and needs to restart. We're just collecting some error info, and then you can restart. 100% complete. For more information about this issue and possible fixes, visit https://www.windows.com/stopcode. If you call a support person, give them this info: stop code, session initialization failed.